Welcome to Wisconsin. We had a snowstorm last night, and you can see all the havoc that it wreaked here. Must have had maybe between 8 and 10 inches of snow. There's Patty. You can see she's loading the snow and pushing it away. Amazing. And it is almost springtime. So, this is quite a change from Thailand. I haven't seen snow this deep in over 20 years. Last time was when I was living in Maryland. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I shoveled this little path here. Oh, and there's Patty pushing the snow. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. Huh.
Bring the snow shovel in.
Oh yeah, I will. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll let her go, and I'm going to warm up. I'm going to warm up. It's going to take Patty a little while to clean this up. Just to give you a little flavor of what we have to struggle through. Goodbye.